How to disable a function of this camera. It's a Samsung S20 Plus, and here is the thing that I'm talking about. Notice that dot in the center of the image, which is constantly moving, that white one, and now it sticks to the center. How to disable that one? Plus it has a horizontal line. Well, come here to the corner, to the wheel, that one, wheel, and here it has shot suggestions. Get on-screen guides to help you line up great shots. So shot suggestions should be disabled. That's it. When it's gray it is disabled, and when it's blue and it's on the right side, now it's enabled. So disable it, back, and now it's not bothering us with perfect shots anymore. No horizontal line, and there is no moving circle on the image either.